everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Narissa and today I'm creating a makeup look using the Morphe Second Nature palette. I was just playing around in this palette the other day and I was like, I want to create something that's really fiery and red and spicy. So I wanted to share that with you all and I hope that you enjoy it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first things first, I went ahead and applied all of my foundation and contour off camera. And the first color I'm going to start with in this palette is going to be Universal. So I like to keep the names. I love when they put the names. The next color I'm going to use is going to be Fire. Okay, now I'm back. My camera battery died, but I'm still going in with the color Fire. Okay, now repeat on the other side. I'm already really loving this red, so yeah. Oh, wow. I really love eyeshadow palettes that are really pigmented, so you don't have to use as much, even though sometimes I still end up using a little extra. Okay, the next color that I'm going to use is Wiz. Now, this is a black, but I'm going to use a really light hand with it because I don't want it to be too dark. So I'm just going to put this in the crease. And I'm going to do that for the other side. I'm just going to go ahead and line exactly where I want it to go. And then I'm going to go back in and blend it out. Okay. So I've kind of, as you see, kind of lined exactly where I want it to go. Let's get back on this side. And now I'm going to just blend it. And I'm just going to keep blending. And keep blending. And so I always repeat to myself when I'm doing my eyeshadow, blend, 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 blend. So blend it as much as possible. Yeah. Loving it so far. Okay, so always make sure that you're blending evenly for both eyes. Okay, the next color that I'm going to use is going to be the color, let's see. I'm stuck between using Heat and Ruby. I think I'm going to try, let's go with some Heat. Yeah, we'll do Heat. So I'm still just blending. Okay. Repeat on the other side. So far, I'm loving this look. Next, I'm going to take the color, let's go with the color Orb. So this color right here, color Orb. And I'm going to blend this. Okay. The color Orb. I'm just blending. Okay. Now I'm going to use the color, I'm going to go back with the color Universal. And I'm going to use this along the arch of my eyebrow, as you all can see. Okay. And then along the arch. And I'm blending it some more. Right along the arch. I'm using the color Universal. And I'm just blending more. Okay. Now I'm going to go back in with the color Fire. And I'm actually going to put it along my eye here. So I decided to go back and make the line a little bit thicker. So can you see? Yeah. Now I'm going to use my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is, as you all know, my go-to mascara. I love this mascara. Okay, next I'm going to be using the these. Okay, I'm going to be using the Eye Lure lashes. I figured I would do something a little different from my normal Ardell Wispies, so to give this a little bit of a different makeup look. And I'm using the Ardell Lash Grip Eyelash Glue. And it is in the color Clear. And if you have any questions about how to secure your eyelashes, I will link down in the description box a very quick eyelash tutorial. Okay, so I put my eyelashes on off camera. I like the way they look, but I'm not the biggest fan of how heavy they feel on my eyes. So that's something to take in consideration if you have these lashes. You might not. I picked these up a long time ago, to be honest, and this is just my first time trying them. Because again, my go-to lash is typically the Ardell lash. Yeah, but I mean, I like the way it looks, so if you do decide to use this lash, take that into consideration. Now I'm going to use my Wet n Wild. It's in the color Chestnut lip liner. Okay, now that I've lined my lips, I'm going to use this matte lip color that I picked up at my local beauty supply store. So even though this is from a beauty supply store, this lip color will stay put all day long. This lip color looks so strikingly red on camera, and I am here for it. Next, I'm going to use my highlight from my Perception collection, and this one is Pose. I don't even need to use too much. Alright, so Everyone, that's going to be the end of today's makeup tutorial. I hope that you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. Also, follow me on social media. I can be found on Facebook at Narissa Explains It All and on Instagram at Narissa Explains It All. And I can't wait to see you again very soon. Bye.